Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the easy way to make money online. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So, easy way to make money online. That's kind of a clickbait title. You probably guessed it, but I'm going to tell you why I'm talking about the easy way to make money online. Now, think about this. If you work at a job, you have this, you're going to have the same amount of money or less than you can create with an online business, because you're going to work at a job and you're going to get paid at the end of the month. But with an online business, you're going to get paid after that. It's delayed gratification. But once you've passed that, once you've started to make some money, you're going to make the same amount of money as you work at your job. So the year after that, on your job, what's going to happen is you are going to make maybe $100 more, something like that. But with an online business, it's just going to grow exponentially. So after 2 years that you've started to make some money, remember at the beginning it might take you 2 years to actually start to make any money at all. So just remember that it's not going to happen overnight. But once you start to make money, the year after that, you're going to just skyrocket and just double your income like every year, maybe triple, quadruple, and that has no chance with an online business. You know, there are tons of different things that you can do. You can do Shopify, so Shopify dropshipping, where you order a product from China for somebody else and you don't even do anything. So you have a website and, you know, people order it, you sell it for more expensive than you buy it, and you ship it straight to you. You never even see the product. I've done this before. It absolutely works. The next one is Amazon FBA, for example. Like Amazon FBA, where you just ship a ton of products to Amazon. Same thing, you don't see them, and Amazon takes care of everything, whether it's, you know, all the shipping and everything like that. You can do a social media agency, which is, you know, very quick to make money, because all you have to do is get 2 clients and you're making a full-time income. So if you make 3 clients, 4 clients, you know, you can make a lot of money. Look at Sam Ovens, for example. If you look at this guy, he's got a social media marketing agency and he's making a ton of money, and I'm talking like 30 million a year or something like that. The next one is affiliate marketing, which is what I talk about mostly on this channel. And affiliate marketing is one of the best things ever, because not only do you not touch the product, you don't ship the product, but you don't even deal with customer service, because everything is just sent to the company that you're helping out. So you're helping them out, they're helping you out by providing you some money. And like, these are just some of the famous ways to make money, but there are a ton of other ways. So the one thing that will change whether you make it or not, whether you make a ton of money or not, is to perseverance. Like, that is the most important thing, because so many people just give up because they're not growing as fast as they want to. They're not making as much money as they want to. They're not where they are right now and they wish they were, and they give up. And that's the way that you're going to lose, because the only way to actually fail is to give up. So if you just keep on going, figure out where you went wrong, and just continue to grow like that, that is how you're going to make the actual money. So at the beginning, remember what I said, it may take you 2-3 years before you actually make any money. Like, you might be making videos every single day and not get any traction at first. And I'm talking videos every day because that's how, like, the best way to do affiliate marketing is, in my opinion. And I'm not going to go into detail because that's not the point of this video, but I've got a ton of other videos, so make sure you check these out if you're interested. But you just have to keep learning all the time because you don't know it all. You have to accept that you don't know it all and you have to learn. And I don't know it all. Nobody, like probably Bill Gates, he reads a ton of books. Because why? Because he doesn't know it all. Even if, you know, he could be the richest person in the world, which he's not right now, but if he didn't give away a lot to charity, he still would be the richest person in the world. So he reads books like all the time. He reads several books. Sometimes he just takes a week to just read all the time, and that's because he's learning. So if he has to learn all the time, guess what you have to do? You have to learn all the time as well. So you just have to learn. Maybe it's not by reading books. A lot of people don't read books. Like I don't read very many books, but that's just because it's not the way I consume content. But if that's the way you do it, do it that way. But find a way that's appealing to you and learn that way. So you just have to learn and accept that you will never know it all, but the more you learn, the better you will be. You see, if you go to school and you want to become a doctor or a lawyer, it will take you 10 years to become a doctor. Like, you really have to take a lot of time and it costs you a ton of money. If you want to be own an online business and make a lot of money, like some people do this in 6 months. You can, and like everyone's results are different, but think about that. If you do an online business for 10 years, you're probably like, and if you like hustle really bad at it, like you're putting work every single day like you should be doing, it's probably a guarantee that after 10 years, and don't take my word for it because I don't want to get sued or anything like that, but it's almost a guarantee that after 10 years, you will be a millionaire. Like if you're doing that for 10 years, there's no way that you're not making any money. So you just have to not give up. You have to have the right mindset for more. That's the other thing. Some people, start to have a little bit of success and then they just give up because, they make 10 grand a month, for example. But you have to just want to have more and more and more. And stop trading time for money because that doesn't work. But if you don't want more, you will just start to just fall down. So if you have enough money to like lose everything, then like lose your income, then perfect. And if that's what you want to do, awesome. But you have to make sure that that's actually something that you can actually be able to make. And you have to, again, like I said at the beginning of this video, you have to have delayed gratification. If you don't have delayed gratification, it's going to be very hard to actually make it because, as I said, at first it might take you 3 years before you make a single dime. And after that, it will probably explode. But before that, you have to make sure that you're just focused, even though you're not making any money whatsoever. So you really have to go into personal development because that is going to help you quite a bit. If you don't do that, it's going to be very hard to actually grow to the next level. So just like do your research on personal development. I don't talk about this a lot. I have a few videos on this because I believe that mindset is very important if you want to grow, but you really have to do your research. So I really hope that this video helped you out. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And I've got videos coming out every single day. So if you haven't checked these out, check my other videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.